but it's very, very effective. Okay? So when somebody goes to score kote on you, okay, they come to score kote, it's the biggest technique in Shiai. Okay, most points are kote, okay? About 60%, then it's about 30 or 40% men, and the rest are dol. Okay? So when the person comes in to hit kote, okay, you hit kote at the same time, then score on men. Okay? Okay? So they hit kote, you go I kote, so you negate their cut, then hit on the men. Please don't go past. Can you hit it? So in other words, please try and hit it, okay? 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 Really fast